Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from Everydayedeals. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to Everydayedeals. So, let's see. First thing is this little tiny brush. I didn't know what it was. I was like, what is the brush? I actually thought it would be bigger. So this brush is supposed to be to help you, I guess when you have drills, you do this. That might work. Well, I do have my trash drill jar here. Oh, okay. See, the problem with trash drills is they're trash drills. So I think it's supposed to help do that, which actually might work. It's actually a pretty stiff bristles. I'm like, what are words? Words! So this brush is 99 cents on the site, and you could get it like as a white, black, and purple. But yeah, it's small. Okay. Next thing here is some stickers. There was like a couple Christmas stickers on the site, but I had to get these ones just because. So it comes with an ordinary toolkit. It looks like these drills are regular round drills, and the reason I had to get them is they're Corgi stickers. It's cute. My sister actually has 2 Corgis, and I figure I'll just give this to her when I'm done so she could stick stickers on things. I don't know if she does, if she ends up actually doing Christmas presents or something. So here's a Corgi with the Christmas tree. That one's cute. And then here's a Corgi trying to get into a present. Corgi butt. Corgi sleeping on, I don't know. I don't cook. Eating. Ooh, sleeping on the plate of cookies. Here. Corgi in a present. Corgi in a stocking. Corgi with a sweater. And then that's not Corgi related, but I guess they were like, we need some space in that blank spot here. And then there's another sheet. So Corgi in cookie jar, Corgi tangled with lights, the Corgi butt with reindeer antlers, one with a wreath here, Corgi making a snow Corgi, 2 Corgis. My sister, just like I said, has 2 Corgis. And then a Corgi ice skating, which is more than what I can do. Because I can't ice skate. So yeah, like I said, it looks like it's regular drills. So some red, yellow, white, brown, pink, and then some greens, different greens. Nothing is like bam, screaming Christmas green. These are a little actually not too Christmas green. So I guess even the wreath is not going to have much. And then there you go. So yeah, Corgi stickers. And these Corgi stickers are $4.99 on the website. And like each sticker is, let's just do the wreath because it's easier. It's about 5 centimeters by 5.5 centimeters. So they are slightly different in size depending on which one, but there you go. They're cute. I think I'll enjoy this one. All right. Next thing, diamond painting. This diamond painting it's a Christmas one. So, ordinary toolkit. It looks like the drills come in baggies, and these should be round. Here, and here it is. It's these gnomes that are much bigger than the Christmas tree that they're decorating. Does this thing have the Oh yeah, it does have the part number. Just making sure that the drills have the part number up here so that, because I do store my drills separately, and sometimes it takes a while for me to put away the drills after put away all of this stuff after unboxing. So just verifying that. Alright, so this thing has 20 colors. All the symbols are letters. And drill field quality. Looks pretty decent to me. And let's see, this is a 24.5 by 34. And like I said, these are rounds. I'm not going to take them out of this here, but there's the color scheme here. And this one is $5.99 on the website. And next one. So yeah, I think, I didn't realize, but everything Christmas. Christmas. Okay, got everything. So, ordinary toolkit, except some baggies. These are going to be special shaped drills. And here's the base. And then lots of times these things come with a second base to make the base even thicker. So it doesn't look like you're going to diamond paint the base, but you do have Santa here with a reindeer and Christmas tree. Although if you put the thing on top of there, you're just going to see like that part of Santa, so I don't know. So I don't know if that's an appropriate picture there, but what I got is this here. Oops, I was like zooming in too much. It's a cupcake. It's a peppermint cupcake, I'm guessing. That's what flavor candy canes, right, are? They're usually peppermint. I think so. Because I think usually these things are called like, yeah, the York things are usually like peppermint. I don't know. See, you see, I don't know my mints. I like mint, but I'll just eat it. Don't think about it. But yeah, it's this cupcake here. I was trying to find where this thing is $17.99. There is only one side, but lots of times you are just, unless you're going to put it as a centerpiece on a table, you only need the one side. And it is about, let's see, 18, well, it's probably more like 19 across by 29 or 28.5. And the symbols look like they're all numbers here. Yep. I thought this one was nice. I actually kind of like the desk ornaments. I just put them on my mantle of my fireplace, and then I was looking at my office at work, and I was like, you know, I have a place where I could put these desktop ornaments, so I can add those in too. So here is some big drills here. I'm guessing these are the sprinkles that are going to be on here. Going to be nice big ones, so some white, red, and blue. I've noticed blue has been considered a Christmas color now. So here's the drills. Red, clear, some orange here. I'm guessing for the swirls of, will be caramel. Do you think it'll be a caramel and peppermint? Would that taste good together, caramel and mint? I don't know. See, or is this like chocolate? I don't know. I'd eat it still. I'd be like, does the two flavors go together? Yes, I don't know. So some orange and some browns, blues, greens, and there's another special here. So there you go. All right, that's the last one I'm showing you for now. Yeah, I don't know. See, if you put the thing on there, you're pretty much cutting Santa in half, so you can't tell it's Santa, but that's okay. Do you really look at the base? So here is everything I got. Here's the cupcake. Here is the gnomes. Here's my Corgi stickers. Oop, there's not enough space. Let me move it here. Corgi stickers. Yes, there you go. Oh, and the little tiny brush. All right, I'm going to work on the Corgi stickers and the cupcake here, and I'll see you later. All right, and back, and the Corgi stickers are done. So this had 10 colors. They were all rounds. I did add some rhinestone and ABs myself, and it took me 2 hours and 23 minutes to complete. And here it is. Isn't it cute? I did add some AB drills to here, and then those are rhinestones in the ornaments here. I added some rhinestones for there, and I added some ABs here for some of the white. I did it here, and then some rhinestones there, and then rhinestones here. So originally these were all just regular round drills. And here's this one here. These ones are cute too. I put rhinestones on the ornaments here, and then rhinestones on the ornaments in the wreath here, and then some ABs on the candy canes here. So yeah, cute little Corgi stickers here. And I finished the cupcake here. You might have seen me work on this on a whip and chat, and I finished it off camera. And this one is about an 18 by 28 with 12 colors, 8 crystal rhinestones, and 4 specials. And this took me 1 hour and 35 minutes to complete. So I probably could have kept going on my whip and chat. It didn't take me much longer than that. But yeah, here it is. It's actually really pretty. It has the candy cane here, and then the little like big balls here for the sprinkles, and then you can see the cherries there. I kind of think maybe the cherries or the frosting could have been a slightly different light. One of them could have been a different color, so that there would have been a more of a variation in the color. But I could tell that there's a cherry and things there. And then it comes with the base here with Santa. I'm not sure if the Santa works as the base, because now when it's standing up here, you can't see the top of Santa. It's only back here. But it works. It's not like you're looking at the base most of the time. And I finished this one here. I actually had no intention of finishing this, but I ended up kitting it up for November event. So this is a 24.5 by 34.5, and it had 20 colors. These are rounds, and this took me 5 hours and 40 minutes to complete. I did add some rhinestones for the stars and the ornaments, and AB 5200 for 3756 for some things. I thought it needed more colors. Some of the symbols were dark. Everything else was just fine, normal here. So I did add these rhinestones here for the stars, because in the original image, you can see there's some stars. And in the original rendering, it was just that you could not see the stars. So it was just plain blue or this darker blue here. So I added the rhinestones for the colors there, and then I added rhinestones for these big ornaments. I made them out of rhinestones, and then I added some white ABs here and in here on the snow on the trees. So yeah, my main comment was I do think it needed more colors. Like, I don't know if you could tell, like the beard and stuff, it's just very color blocked, so you can't tell that there's all this extra strands that they are on here. And another thing was the clothes of this gnome here. See, it's green here, and then the foot boot is like this yellow color. They are actually the same color on both here, and that really bothered me. So, but I think that's just because there's not enough colors. The background of the shirt you can see is green, but when you put the drills on, it was yellow. So that's one of those things that just a couple more colors might have helped. And like the foot here is the same color as the stool here, and if you see the stool here is red and then this is yellow, it doesn't work out. And see, this stool here is supposed to be brown, but instead it ended up being red just because of the lack of colors. But you know, if you look at it from far away and you just didn't have this original image here, it doesn't look too bad. So I think it's just one of those ones where I think just a couple more colors would have made this nicer. And if it wasn't for the fact that I have this original image here in my brain, I don't know if I would have noticed the fact that the stool is like not brown and the shirt is not green, but it still looks cute here. I think you could tell what it is. You could tell the presents and the gnome, and you could tell the trees here. So I think it works. I just kind of wish there was just a couple of the colors were just not correct. But yeah, there is that there. So here is all the finishes for this video here. So thank you to Everydayedeals for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye!